Hey there, so let's get right into how you can find out which of your YouTube videos are gaining the most subscribers. Now, I'm just going to show you on my channel. It's just an early channel, there's nothing big about it, but let's get right into it and just straight to it. So you can see I'm logged into YouTube, I've got the dark theme, and I've also got vidIQ, so if you see anything that looks a bit different, that'll be why, but I'll do another video on that soon. So if I click here and I'm logged in, go to YouTube Studio. And this essentially is the gateway then to YouTube Analytics, which is where we can see it. So the best way is to click Analytics and straight into advanced mode. And from there, what you can do is simply click on subscribers heading and you will order them by subscribers. Now you can see mine here, the fastest way to write high quality blog post, that is actually got 3. Yeah, it's a small amount at the moment. But if I wanted to do more, then I could extend that and see over time these different time periods. And again, that one's still the best one. Early days with this channel, but you get the idea, and that's how you do it. If you want to leave, you can cross out of that. If you did want to look at an individual level, you can check the content and then click the analytics button here. Now again, none of these I don't think have generated any, but if I come down to this one, press analytics, and it does show you there as well. So that's the other way to do it at the individual video level. But if you want to find out by comparison, the way to do it, advanced analytics. Now check out my analytics video if you want more on this, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching. Happy YouTubing.